5-Minute Habits for Healthy Living. This week's habit is mindfulness. Hello, this is Dr. Brian Morris, and welcome to 5-Minute Habits for Healthy Living, where you will learn the tools to practice a healthy lifestyle 5 minutes at a time. I've been practicing internal medicine for 20 years. I went to medical school at Johns Hopkins, I trained at Yale, and I previously held a teaching position at Harvard Medical School. I currently practice medicine and hold a teaching appointment at UCLA Medical School here in Los Angeles, where I teach these tools and these strategies to medical students, house staff, doctors, and of course, to my patients. Before we get to this week's habit, I'd like to remind you that the information contained in this podcast and at 5minutemd.com is intended solely for educational purposes and should not be used to diagnose, treat, or prevent any health condition or illness. This information may not apply to a specific health situation and is not a substitute for medical care by a qualified, licensed, board-certified healthcare professional. Please consult with your healthcare provider before implementing any of the ideas in this podcast or making any changes in your healthcare regimen. This week's habit is mindfulness. On one of our previous podcast episodes, we discussed meditation and the power that meditation or the relaxation response can have on peace of mind and our happiness. And ultimately, peace of mind and happiness promote good health. So having a consistent meditative practice can have tremendous health benefits. It affects how we feel and it affects our physical health. Well, now I'd like to take this topic to an even higher level. In the previous episode, we discussed how having a daily meditative practice of maybe 5 or 10 minutes once or twice a day can be helpful and promote good health. But now I'd like to explore mindfulness. A lot has been written about mindfulness over the years, but for me, mindfulness essentially means that we're practicing the tools of meditation every moment of the day. What does this mean in practical terms? It means that with every breath, with every thought, with every moment, we're paying attention to what we're doing. That's all it means. It doesn't mean we're humming or saying a prayer all day long or focusing on a mantra over and over again. What we're doing with mindfulness is that when we're speaking, when we're eating, when we're thinking, when we're feeling, we are focused. Our attention is on the present moment. That's what mindfulness is. Now, meditation is essentially a short, focused practice of mindfulness. This is the core of meditation when you think about it. Meditation is simply a period of time when we focus our attention on the present moment. We focus on a breath, we focus on a mantra, we focus on a prayer. Meditation, or the relaxation response, is a short, focused period of time where our attention is on the present moment, on the here and now. And as we discussed in that prior episode, when thoughts drift in and out of our mind about the past or the future, we let those thoughts go and we return to the present moment. Well, mindfulness is simply a practice that takes meditation one step further. Rather than simply focusing on the present moment for a short period of time, with mindfulness, we strive to do that all the time. It does sound daunting, I understand, and it can be a bit overwhelming, but trying to expand a meditative practice to include longer periods of time during the day can be profoundly healing and nourishing to the body and the soul. Staying fully engaged in our lives is healing and nourishing to ourselves. Being fully present in our life, fully present every moment. Yes, that is a lofty goal, but it's worth shooting for. So try it out. If you've gone ahead and started a meditative practice like we discussed in the prior episode, try to expand that. As you're going through your day, as you're meeting with people, as you're talking with people, as you're watching television or reading a book, try to stay fully engaged, fully present in every moment. Try to keep your mind off of the past and off of the future and on the experience that you're having right now. Now, none of us can be fully present all day long, at least most of us can't, but maybe you can do it for an hour or 2 hours or 3 hours. Can you spend an hour not thinking about the past or future, not thinking about how many emails are in your in-basket or how long it's been since you posted on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram? Can you pay attention to that conversation you're having right now and stay fully engaged? Can you pay attention to that meal you're having right now and stay fully engaged? Can you pay attention to that song you're listening to right now, fully